Remove gimbal cover before powering on. Long press to power on. Place the drone on a level surface and the gimbal will auto self-check. Adjust the camera angle up or down using the gear on top of the controller. Powered on with gimbal cover attached. Manually rotating the gimbal after power on. Powering on the drone directly on grass or uneven surface. Camera angle cannot be adjusted during use. With the drone powered off, gently rotate the gimbal by hand to check for any blockage. Restart the drone to check if the gimbal performs self-calibration. If the gimbal enters self-check, it means it's working properly. If the gimbal feels blocked or fails to self-check, record a video and send it to Ruko support for help.